According to a Cerulli report on the U.S. retirement markets, only 18% of plan participants plan on leaving their 401ks with their previous employer. It's a decision that comes with pros and cons, and in this short video, I'll go ahead and list them for you. As always, we recognize that each individual has their own unique circumstances, so we do always encourage you to get professional advice in determining whether or not the rollover is appropriate. But just to highlight a few on this list, when doing a rollover, you will have more investment options. The entire investment universe is now available to you, whether it's individual stocks or ETFs or even hedging strategies like options. With that, you also have the opportunity to have increased diversification, which will probably be more in line of what the long-term goals are. And of course, you have the option to seek professional advice when it comes to managing the rollover or going at it yourself. But for the pros, those are pretty much the main ones. As for the cons, we went ahead and listed the most common ones here for you. But the main one is going to be that if you do decide to work with a financial professional, there will be higher management fees when compared to the 401k. It's really up to you to determine the merit in that. Our advice is to interview financial advisors and kind of see what their value proposition is and how they can help you reach your goals. As always, a lot of information here. We're not able to cover it all in a 2-minute video, but if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us, and we'll be more than happy to go over these one by one. All the best. Thank you.